Hi guys, literally look at this snow. It's gone from them balls. It's gone from them balls. It's gone from them balls to actual snowflakes now. Look at it, man. Look at it. It's actually just got normal snow now. It's actually just turned out to got normal snow. So that's a good thing. It actually just turned out to normal snow. Holy moly. Blizzard. What a blizzard that is. Oh my god. Whoa. It is kind of London, but it is London, but not really well. Well, it's not London actually. It's all blue sky everything, but look at on the shed roof. Still none on the floor. Yeah. Still nothing on the floor. Look at it, man, in the air. Boom. Oh, jeez. Jesus. Going all white out here now, guys. Jesus. Look at them, it's full on normal. It's literally full on normal snow again. Well, there's no moon on that yet, so that's a good thing. No moon, so. But it's like a blizzard out here. Oh, it actually is still at ball snow. Oh, no, it's not, look. It's actually full on flakes now. See? But, holy moly. Look at it landing like everywhere, even on my dad's car. Look at it on top of the cat trap. It is, yeah. Yeah, there's some rain in this. There's definitely some rain in it. There's some rain in there, there's now. Most of it's snow, though.
If I get up in the morning and the snow on the ground,
Did she?
Yeah,
that works. But you were here.
Sorry about that, guys. My sister just got booted in the face by my other sister, because my sister's very mean. Well, when she wants to be mean, aye. She's not always mean, but she is when she wants to be. Well, there's actually blue sky coming now. Oh, holy moly. This was some heavy snow just then, like. Oh, God. Actually, this still is, but there's blue sky coming in now, so that means it will be stopping, because it's starting to slow down now. It's no longer 0 degrees, I don't think. So it's just little tiny bits of fluids now. It's just fluids now falling from the sky. Sister Louise. See you guys, I'm going now, bye.